Did you know that maximum babies are conceived during Christmas? Christmas was banned in America. The Statue of Liberty is the largest Christmas gift. You can write to Santa with a confirmed reply. All Santa reindeers are females. Get more such informations unrevealed in this video. Christmas is the largest festival celebrated in 160 countries worldwide. Here are some very interesting facts about Christmas that you did not know. While the world celebrates the birth of Jesus Christ on 25th December, there is no mention of this date in the Bible. Many historians say that Jesus was really born in the spring. The date was originally chosen because it coincided with the pagan festival of Saturnalia, which honored the agricultural god Saturn with celebrating an exchange of gifts. Jingle Bells was composed for Thanksgiving Day, which is celebrated as a national holiday in US and Canada, celebrating the harvest and blessings of the past year, and not for Christmas. It was the first song played in the space. Santa's current image was created by Coca-Cola. Traditionally, Santa's dress was blue, white, and green. Its current red suit came in 1930 by Coca-Cola, and the biggest Christmas gift was Statue of Liberty, gifted by French to US in 1886 on Christmas. Christmas tree decoration was first made with fruits and candles, and later on with gifts, bells, and electric lights. Gifts are often exchanged on Christmas Day itself, 25th December, or on the last day of the 12-day Christmas season, 12th night, 5th January. The practice of giving gifts during Christmas, according to Christian tradition, is symbolic of the presentation of the gifts by the three wise men to the infant Jesus. A record number of babies are conceived around Christmas time, resulting in maximum childbirths in September in following year. This interesting survey has been published in a medical journal. The name of Santa Claus came from Saint Nicholas. The saint wore a red suit. That tradition came much later. In the 4th century, the Christian bishop born in 270 AD in Myra, which is now in southern Turkey. He gave away his large inheritance to the poor in the form of secret gifts and rescued women from slavery. In Dutch, his name is Sinterklaas, which later changed into Santa Claus in English. Christmas trees are grown for up to 15 years before they are used for decoration. There are 630 varieties of Christmas trees. In US, only 77 million of them are grown annually. After the Christmas is over, trees are fed to animals, especially elephants, as a tradition. During Christmas, we hang stockings by the chimney with care. Thanks to a poor man who didn't have enough money for his 3 daughters' dowries. Generous old Saint Nicholas dropped a bag of gold down their chimney one night, after the girls had hung their freshly washed stockings there to dry. That's where the tradition started for hanging stockings.
They make our spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Santa has a zip postal code in Canada, and the post office there receives millions of letters written by kids from all over the world. Some big-hearted Canadian corporates started answering them with the help of staff. Zip code HOHOHO, Canada. Santa has a total of 10 reindeers. Originally there were 8: Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, Blitzen. Rudolph, the 9th red-nosed reindeers, became the most popular. In 1939, Robert May created him for a store promotion on Christmas. Since then, he has been leading the herd of reindeers. Olaf, the 10th reindeer, first appeared in the 1997 book. Olaf, the Other Reindeer, an animated TV feature, introduced Olaf to a wider audience in 1999. Black Friday isn't the busiest shopping day. Black Friday, or the day after Thanksgiving, certainly sees lots of shoppers heading to the mall. Traditionally, it is considered to be the start of Christmas shopping season. Most hectic days of the year are actually the Friday and Saturday before Christmas, so plan ahead if you don't care for crowds. Based on their names, it's often assumed that Santa's reindeer are a mix of male and female, but according to biologists, that is not so. In fact, based on depictions of Santa's reindeer herd, they are all female. Each of Santa's reindeer has large antlers. Yet male reindeer shed their antlers at the beginning of December after mating season, whereas female reindeer keep their antlers all winter. The Christmas wreath first originated as a symbol of Christ. The holly represents the crown of thorns Jesus wore at his crucifixion, and the red berries stand for the blood he shed. So when you see a wreath this holiday, you'll remember the reason for the season. Some considered this as a byproduct of Christmas tree. It may seem like Christmas has always been celebrated in the United States, but that's not the case. In fact, the joyous religious holiday was actually banned in America for several decades by Christians themselves. The original war on Christmas was waged during the 16th and 17th century by Puritans, all Protestant Christians who believed that people needed strict rules to be religious and that any kind of merrymaking was sinful. Celebrating Christmas used to be illegal. Anyone caught making merry in the colonies would face a fine for celebrating. In America alone, every year 15,000 people get injuries due to decoration and related activities during November and December. Injury happens due to electrical connections, glass and metal used during decoration. Neglected dried-out Christmas trees spark about 100 fires in the United States each year, causing an average of 10 deaths, and result in $15.7 million in property damage. Between Thanksgiving and New Year's Day, the U.S. Postal Service delivered an estimated 1,000 million packages in 2020, in addition to almost 15 billion mails. That includes gifts for loved ones, cards, and Christmas letters. This is in America alone. Just imagine the magnitude of this festival all across the world. In Xmas, the first letter comes from the ancient Greek language. X, or Chi, is the Greek first letter of Christ. In 1551, the holiday was commonly called Xmas, which was later shortened to Christmas. The Christmas decoration isn't just pretty. It's also an ancient symbol of fertility and virility. Mistletoe leaf used for decoration come from a plant that has white fruits. It is said to be love-stimulant and erotic. So the next time someone cracks a joke about meeting you under the mistletoe, consider yourself warned. One of the showstoppers of Christmas dinner is carving the roast beast, whatever species it comes from. Google searches for ham and turkey both spike during the month of December, according to Google Trends data. Spiral cut ham edges out the bird as the most popular choice for a Christmas party table. Caroling is based on the tradition of wassailing. Have you ever wondered why people go door to door singing carols? The tradition is based on the English custom of wassailing, which was a tradition to toast to someone's good health and fortune. Saint Francis of Assisi took this tradition and converted it to the modern form of caroling. The cakes we get to eat during the Christmas holidays are known as plum cakes, but there are, in fact, no plums in the cake. Raisins were known as plums in medieval times, and the ingredients were stirred in an east to west direction similar to that of the journey of the three wise men. During the World War II, intelligence agencies created a very special deck of cards. They distributed them as Christmas gifts, but they also helped prisoners of war escape from German camps. When wet, individual cards peeled apart to reveal maps of escape routes. Candy canes started in 1670 on the next day of Christmas, the 26th December. A music master handed out a small peppermint sticks to children to keep quiet during a live performance. These sticks later took the shape of a hook. These were meant to look like shepherd's stick. This is a reference to Jesus as the Good Shepherd. Originally white, red stripes were added later. Wearing cute and stylish red sweaters is famous all over the world. Christmas is complete only if you and your kids wear adorable Christmas sweaters. But did you know that a large part of the world has contests like the Best Christmas Sweater Competition, and it is called the Ugly Sweater Competition? If you gave all the gifts listed in the 12 days of Christmas, it would be equal to 364 presents, representing the whole year.